Thanks for a lovely set of films. I was wondering if any of you might want to really talk about, are all of you Bombayites, or was this your first? So, the films become a interesting vehicle to go into parts of the city that otherwise you would not get any access to. And, the sense or the experience of Bombay that you get is in a particular kind of way. And these films sort of open out other doors. So I was wondering if you might want to just talk about that experience.
I was part of Bharat Mata Ki Jai, and when I started making Bharat Mata, it was my second year in Bombay, and of course, making Bharat Mata itself was uh, getting entry into a space where I actually, first of all, I didn't know that space existed. So, firstly, it was knowledge building, then exploring those spaces, and then in the very short span of time trying to understand the nuances within the spaces. Much of it, when I think back now, I realize that we, or rather I, came to quick conclusions because of, you know, the the film had to be made within a short span of time, and when you look back, you probably wouldn't think of those spaces like the way you made the film now. But I agree that it was my first brush with sort of exploring spaces beyond my comfort zone in Bombay. And another thing I would like to add about the film is that there were five of us who made Bharat Mata Ki Jai, and only one of the filmmakers of Doot was a Maharashtrian who understood the language. So a peculiar kind of problem that emerged while making Bharat Mata Ki Jai is we had to at least remotely understand Marathi, which I did not. I still don't understand it very well. I sort of hate to admit this, and neither would the other three filmmakers. But somehow we managed to, dissolve those boundaries within ourselves. We negotiated those boundaries. So that is why, though we shot with 4 or 5 characters, we only could keep, one of the reasons why we could keep only 2 characters when the final documentary is also because none of us understood how to put it across. So because the language was also a big issue, we realized along with language came culture. We were not very, we did not realize the culture. Like I said, that I don't even realize it now because I haven't studied it very well. And in that short span of time, one couldn't do justice to it at all, I think. But I agree that it was just one instance of how you can enter into a space, but a lot of it still remains to be done. I mean, one documentary is, just nothing. You don't even understand anything about a space by making a documentary. So I would like to explore the space again. I keep going back to the space, not to study it or anything, but just to meet those people. I just went during Ganesh Chaturthi to Bharat Mata just to visit Babanji and the others. But one day, maybe I don't know what I could do with the knowledge that I have or the access that I still have to the space, but I would like to explore something, on those lines.
So Milant and I were both associated with the film Her Stories. I still remember that when the idea of doing a film on mills was pitched in the class, most of us, since the class was made up of people, most people weren't from Bombay. So there was a lot of anxiety in terms of not having been of not even having some sort of an emotional connect at that point in time with this part of Bombay's history. Apart from lack of knowledge, there was this anxiety about lack of being able to connect with it, and but there were, and in that way it was challenging. So of course everything starts from a Google search, and then you read up more, and then you meet people, and it was arranged for us to meet people who were associated with the mill strike, etc. And it was a very, very interesting process, because then from doing these very impersonal sort of things, we then made our way into people's, as he said, very personal spaces, their houses, where they most generously shared their stories with us. Some of the women broke down while they were talking to us about. So it was a very, very interesting, in the beginning extremely challenging, but in retrospect, the process of making this film was at some level an entry point into defining my relationship with Bombay as it stands now. Because it was in this process that I interacted with so many people, that I came into contact emotionally, not just in terms of knowing facts, etc., but in terms of having some sort of a mental connect with all these people and the mills, the history of the mills in Bombay.